Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this easy keto chocolate pudding. I've got my apron on. Now let's make this keto chocolate pudding. I've got a large-ish saucepan that we're going to use to make our chocolate pudding. This pudding uses gelatin. So we're going to start with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 3/4 of a cup of water. And you want room temperature water. Add in a 1/2 cup of granulated sweetener. This is Keto keto-friendly sweetener. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. So if you notice, we haven't turned our heat on yet. We're going to wait to do that until we bloom our gelatin. I'm going to put my heat on medium heat. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the gelatin. And this is going to start to bloom before our liquid gets hot. And you don't want this to boil. If it boils, it's going to take away the thickening properties of your gelatin. So that was a teaspoon of gelatin. And this is what I use. This is just the Knox brand gelatin that's been in the grocery stores for probably 100 years. So we're going to let this start to heat up, but not boil. Now we're going to stir in 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. And if you wanted to make a vanilla pudding, you just wouldn't add the cocoa powder. And you would probably want to do less sweetener. So we're going to stir this in. As the mixture heats up, the cocoa powder is going to dissolve a lot more easily into our cream. But you want to keep whisking it so we don't get many lumps. All right, our cocoa powder is completely dissolved. So I'm going to remove this from the heat. And even though we're making chocolate, you still want to add some vanilla. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And this is just going to bring out all the flavors. Now this needs to set in the refrigerator, but I don't want it to form a skin. So I'm going to put a layer of plastic wrap on top of our liquid. My pan is not hot enough to melt the plastic wrap, so you don't have to worry about that. So you just want to press it in there and make sure it is on top of all of the liquid. Okay. Now this needs to refrigerate for about 2 hours until it is thick, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, we've got our chocolate pudding here all ready to go. This actually set up overnight. So I'm going to spoon some into my bowl. And this is a thinner chocolate pudding. If you want yours to be thicker, you could use a whole packet of the gelatin. But I like it like this. Let's get a bite. Oh, that is so good. It really tastes just like the stuff you remember as a kid out of the box. It's fantastic. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.